Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I prepared this video on the compulsory subject Entrepreneurship Development, which comprises a set of some important questions on this subject. To cover the entire ED subject, I plan to split into 3 parts of short videos. So let's start the first video of this series where I framed 25 questions. Question number 1. The specific job of entrepreneurship in business enterprise is to make today's business capable of making the future, to enable today's already existing business to remain existing and to remain successful in the future. This is a statement. Who has given this statement? A. Peter F. Drucker, B. Henry Fayol, C. Marshall and Robinson, and D. Peter Kilby. The correct answer is A. Peter F. Drucker. Question number 2. The term entrepreneurs was applied to business initially by the French economist in the 18th century. A. Cantillon, B. Jan Timbergen, C. J.S. Mill, D. None of the above. The correct answer is A. Cantillon. The full name of this person, this economist, is Richard Cantillon. Question number 3. Entrepreneurial behavior includes A. Solving problems, B. Taking initiatives, C. Taking responsibility, and D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. Question number 4. Which one of the following is not considered as one of the building blocks of the model entrepreneur? Not considered as one of the building blocks of the model entrepreneur. This is the question. The options are A. Technical skills, B. Management competencies, C. Business awareness, and D. Personal attributes. The correct answer is C. Business awareness. Question number 5. An entrepreneur who owns more than one business at a time is called A. An entrepreneur, B. A corporate entrepreneur, C. A portfolio entrepreneur, and D. None of the above. The correct answer is C. A portfolio entrepreneur. Question number 6. District industry centers, which is called DIC in short, are located A. in each district, B. in each state, C. only in selected districts, and D. only in selected states. The correct answer is A. in each district. Question number 7. Seed capital assistance is A. a long-term assistance, B. initial assistance, C. a help for the purchase of seeds, and D. a short-term assistance. Seed capital assistance is B. initial assistance. Question number 8. Memorandum of association of a firm contains A. rules regarding the internal management of the company, B. rules regarding the constitution and activities of the company, C. rules regarding the external management, and D. rules regarding the constitution. Memorandum of association MOA and articles of association AOA, these are the two important documents of a company. The correct answer is B. rules regarding the constitution and activities of the company. Now the next question, question number 9. Set up for the purpose of financing, facilitating and promoting foreign trade of India. A. Repco Bank, B. SBI, C. Exim Bank, and D. HDFC. The correct answer is Exim Bank. Exim Bank was set up for the purpose of financing, facilitating and promoting foreign trade of India. Exim Bank was established on 1st January 1982. Question number 10. NABARD is a bank for development. A. urban, B. agricultural and rural, C. scientific, and D. agriculture and research. NABARD is a bank for which development? B. agricultural and rural development. Question number 11. Which of the following method entrepreneur can use to do international business with least risk? International business with least risk. A. turnkey projects, B. joint venture, C. merger, and D. synergy. The correct answer is A. Turnkey projects. Question number 12. What are the response of the business in respect of social responsibility? A. Increase goodwill. B. More profit. C. Expansion and development of business. And D. All of the above. What are the response of the business in respect of social responsibility? The correct answer is D. All of the above. Question number 13. The social responsibility towards business includes A. Responsibilities of owners towards entrepreneur. B. Responsibilities of consumers towards entrepreneur. C. Responsibilities of employees towards entrepreneur. And D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. The next question, 14. LLC is more flexible than A. S corporation. B. Limited partnership. C. Sole proprietor. And D. All of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. LLC is more flexible than all of the above given options. Question number 15. Entrepreneurial endeavors consist of all of the following key elements except. Which one is the exception? A. New business venturing. B. Increasing productivity. C. Innovativeness. And D. Proactiveness. The correct answer is B. Increasing productivity. Next question is overdraft or OD is a short-term finance measure to A. Pay taxes. B. Repay loan. C. Purchase plant and equipment. And D. Meet working capital requirement. OD is a short-term finance measure to D. Meet working capital requirement. Question number 17. AK model of saving innovation. A. Causes a greater outward shift in the nation's production possibilities curve along the axis measuring the K intensive commodity than along the axis measuring the L intensive commodity. B. Increases the productivity of capital proportionately more than that of labor. C. Is equivalent to proportionately greater increase in the supply of capital than in the supply of labor. D. All of the above. The question, AK model of saving innovation. The correct answer is C. Equivalent to proportionately greater increase in the supply of capital than in the supply of labor. Now come to the next question. Which is the body of National Research and Development Corporation, NRDC? A. Council of Scientific and Industrial Research. B. Indian Council of Agricultural Research. C. National Medical Research Council. And D. All of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. 19. Question number 19. Which of the following is the reason for business failure? Another important question. A. Lack of market research. B. Poor financial control. C. Poor management. And D. All of the above. Reason for business failure is D. All of the above. Question number 20. A new venture's business plan is important because A. It helps to persuade others to commit funding to the venture. B. Can help demonstrate the viability of the venture. C. Provides a guide for business activities by defining objectives. And D. All of the above. Correct answer is D. All of the above. Question number 21. Which one is the first development bank of the country? A. ICICI. B. IDBI. C. SFC. And D. IFCI. The correct answer is D. IFCI. IFCI Limited is a non-banking finance company in the public sector. It was established in 1948. Question number 22. PERT stands for A. Program Evaluation and Research Techniques. B. Project Evaluation and Review Techniques. C. Program Evaluation and Review Techniques. And D. Project Evaluation and Research Technique. PERT stands for C. Program Evaluation and Review Techniques. This is the correct answer. Now, question number 23. What is the role of a business angel? Another important term, business angel. A. To provide small business advice. B. To provide capital for business development in exchange for a stake in the business ownership. C. To set up a franchise business. D. To assist an entrepreneur to open a lifestyle business. What is the role of a business angel? The correct answer is B, to provide capital for business development in exchange for a stake in the business ownership. Question number 24. The T in the PESTEL analysis refers to which one? A, time, B, technology, C, training, and D, talent. T denotes for B, technology. And let's come to the last question of this video. Question number 25. Idea of new product is tested in potential consumers to determine consumer acceptance at which stage? A, concept, B, product development, C, test marketing, and D, commercialization. The correct answer is C, test marketing. Thank you guys. Watch complete entrepreneurship development in my next videos, part 2 and part 3. So thanks and all the best for exams. Don't forget to subscribe my channel to get regular important updates ahead. Thanks again.